guys, okay, yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my vlog again. Okay, Chanli TV and Naik. Dapat lang siya ng clean fuel guys. Okay. Oh ma'am, once again ma'am. Oh ayan ma'am.
Hello, good morning everyone. We're now here at RLI Muzon.
Okay.
Yes, tama, Muzon.
Yes,
Muzon
yes.
Naik po.
Muzon, oh.
Ayan, bali dito po itatayo yung ating bagong project na pagsikat at pagsikat. So we have this duplex and townhouse po.
Yung price nito ma'am?
Ang price range po niya 1M to 1.5.
Bali dalawa, no?
Apa.
Okay, yan. Okay, yung mga ma'am sir, ha? Okay.
So dito po no down payment.
Yes.
So kung gusto niyo po ng mag-invest ng no down payment, itatayo muna ang bahay ninyo.
Correct.
Bago kayo magbayad.
Tama.
Ito na po yun.
Okay.
Dito po tayo sa
Along the highway
Naik.
lang.
Yes, along the highway lang po tayo ng Naik Road.
Ayun, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Tapat lang ni Clean. Muzon to, ma'am, no?
Yes po.
Barangay Muzon. Ayan, guys, so, napaka-accessible, oh. Bali nilalambid na rin po, oh. Ayan, may mga equipment na. Okay. Bali, ito yung magiging ano natin, main entrance, no? Thank you so much, Ma'am Maricar. Bali, ayan. Ilang hectares to, ma'am?
Wala pa raw siyang idea kasi si Ma'am Noreen may ano.
Wala pa. Pero hanggang doon. Basta ito nakikita natin. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Wala pa tayong idea kung gaano kalaki to, guys. Ayan. Kasi mainit-init pa to, guys. Ayan, no. Okay, ayan, si paring Bong, okay. Pero napakaganda niya, guys. O, diba? Ayan, guys. Muzon, ayan, guys.
Barangay Muzon?
Barangay Muzon, pare. Oo. Ayan siya ng along the going, ano, guys. Naik pa to, guys, Naik Muzon, tapat lang ng clean fuel, okay. Okay, once again, thank you so much for watching and God bless us. For more details po, update lang po